Guoxin multi-layer mesh bell dryer assembly demonstration. Choose the position for the host machine according to the field situation and find the central line of the host machine. Put the feeding conveyor into the host machine for joint connection. Put it in the corresponding slot. The feeding end should be directly set on the raised platform. The two chain drums should be at the same level. Then connect the host machine with the transmission port. Point the air outlet of blower to the air inlet of the host machine and guarantee the blower is at the same center line as the host machine.
The stove is lying flat on the raised platform to ensure that the center of the furnace outlet is in a straight line with the center of the blower's circular mouth. Build the extended steel frame. Wrap the thermal insulation boards externally. 200 mm clearance is provided between the top of the furnace and the outer insulation board. A 700 mm clearance is provided between the furnace tail and the outer insulation board. Set the smoke extraction fan and fasten the screws. Welding or screw fastening bottom fine 900 mm round hole, putting the burner into the center hole and tighten the screws.
One, start the big blower. 2. Ignite fuel. 3. When the fuel is in normal combustion, start the small blower. 4. Start the driving motor to feed materials. 5. When the host machine starts to discharge materials, turn on the discharge conveyor. 1. After the materials are dried, stop feeding fuels. Then turn off the driving motor and discharge conveyor. 2. Turn off the small blower till the thermostat shows the temperature is down to 40 degrees. Turn off the big blower. Gongyi Guoxin Machinery Plant is willing to join hands with friends from all walks of life and create great resplendence.